Hi friends, sorry for delay. I took a long gap. Now in this video we're gonna explore and learn why Mars is chosen second home planet and Mars rover missions. Now take a deep breath, watch starting to end without skipping the video. And this is Pawan Space. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Here we go.
Earth is the only planet in our solar system which is in habitable zone. In astronomy, the habitable zone is the not too hot, not too cold region around a star where liquid water can exist on a planet's surface. We know that liquid water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. So exoplanets in stars' habitable zones are compelling places to search for life. According to Kepler data, that there could be more than 40 billion Earth-sized planets are orbiting in habitable zone in our own Milky Way galaxy. But we still not yet completely studied our own solar system. In our solar system, with Earth, Mars is the only planet which is in habitable zone. So this is why we select Mars as second home planet for humans. A human mission to Mars has been subjected of science fiction since the 1885s and of aerospace engineering and scientific proposals since the late 1940s. Plan include landing on Mars and to explore its surface. And here one fact is Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. From here the Mars exploration started. The first man-made Mars rover is Mars 2 Probe M rover launched by Soviet Union in 1971, but Mars 2 landing failed, taking Probe M with it. And next one, Mars 3 Probe M rover launched in same year 1971. This was lost when Mars 3 lander stopped communicating 104.5 seconds after landing. Now NASA entered into Mars mission, the Sojourner rover, Mars Pathfinder. This landed successfully on July 4th, 1971. But communications were lost on September 27, 1997. Next, Spirit MERA Mars Exploration Rover. This was launched on June 10, 2003 and landed on January 4, 2004. Nearly 6 years after the original Levit mission, Spirit has covered a total distance of 7.73 kilometers, 4.08 miles on Mars surface, but its wheels became trapped in sand. The last communication received from the rover was on March 22, 2010. Opportunity MERB Mars Exploration Rover launched on July 7, 2003, landed on January 25, 2004. Curiosity rover of the Mars Science Laboratory MSL mission by NASA launched on November 26, 2011, landed at the Aeolis Pulse Plain near Mons in Gale crater on August 6, 2012. This rover known as Curiosity is still operational as of February 2021. And the latest rover Perseverance, nicknamed Percy. This rover was designed for exploring the Zero crater on Mars, and this was a part of NASA's Mars 2020 mission, launched on 30 July 2020. The Perseverance rover headed to Mars way to the Red Planet. The perseverance of humanity launching the next generation robotics explore to Red Planet. On 18th February 2021, after a long deep space journey, Perseverance entered into Mars atmosphere at the speed of 20,000 km per hour. Then it deployed parachutes to lower the speed at the altitude of 7 kilometers. After 6 minutes entry, it removed heat shield which protect the rover. Now it entered into descent stage. Touch on Mars surface at butter smooth. The jetpacks helps to lower the speed until the rover wheels touch down on Mars surface. Then the rover senses the tires touch down ground and quickly cuts the cable. This frees the descent stage to fly off a safe distance away from Perseverance. A key objective for Perseverance mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for signs of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way of human exploration of the Red Planet, and be the first mission to collect and change Martian rock and regolith broken rock and dust. It is the first rover ever to carry a drill for coring samples from Martian rocks and soil. This series of animation shows how those precious samples will be safely stored on Mars for potential future pickup and return to Earth by another mission. And also it carried a helicopter. This helicopter is specially created to fly on Mars. The aim of the helicopter is to fly the places which are rocky and the Perseverance unable to go, and mission time of the helicopter is 30 days. Humanity's first helicopter on Mars has been cleared for a historical takeoff. Ingenuity will take to the skies above Zero Crater Sunday, April 11, 2021 on a 40-second flight, roughly 4 times longer than the Wright brothers' first flight on Earth over 117 years ago. And this is the first selfie of Perseverance with Ingenuity helicopter. This is the first air sound on Mars recorded by Perseverance microphone. The air is blowing at the speed of 5 meters per second. Thanks for watching. If you like my content effort, then do subscribe to my channel and turn on bell icon. I get motivated if you like the video and share this informative video with your friends and family. This is Pawan Space signing out. Jai Hind.
You're wearing